miles/hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Georgetown, Blanchester, Mount Orab, West Union, Bethel, Williamsburg, Lynchburg, Winchester, Marshall, Sardinia, Seaman, Belfast, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Russell, Woodville, Newmarket, Emerald, and Russellville.
Jeez.
Heat advisory remains